What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and for today's video we're going to put to the test 5 apple peelers. It will be a little bit of a compilation because I have put them to the test on my second channel throughout the years, but most of you haven't already seen them. But for those people who have seen them already, I got one new one as well. Okay, let's see how they work. Okay, what you do for this gadget, get your apple and stick it right in here. Also you can peel an orange or potatoes. And boom. Right here there's on and off button. When it's on it slides up. And 1 and 2. If you put it on 2 it will go up and down. But if you're going to put it on 1 it's only gonna go up. Apples don't have a thick peel, so we just need to peel it one time. Okay, let's see how it works. This is pretty amazing. Press on. There you go. Look how cool that is. Look at that perfect peel. That's insane. Okay, now we can take it off and boom, you got here a perfect peeled apple. Looks like it got hit a little bit over here. But isn't it amazing? And look at this one stain peel. So cool. Then we press it again to take it down. Let's do one more apple. I want to show you how peel comes out. I want to put it down a little bit like this. Look at that peel. It's so awesome. So satisfying, don't you think? Boom. Now we have perfectly peeled apple. Check this out. Amazing. And the peel comes off very easily. And it's all one piece. Wow. It does it so perfectly. I love this gadget. For the next apple peeler, I got one of these ones. So what you do is stick an apple right here. Boom. And right here, this is where the blade is. Also, you can adjust it. Ooh. Okay, I figured it out. So what you want to do first, actually, put your apple right here. And then what you do is take this down first. And then you push this down. There you go. And then you press on this button. How cool is that? Wow. Boom. Now you can pull this up, take your apple out. Wow, this one actually does just as well. I'm gonna stop right here. Let's try this one more time. But this time we're also going to put it to the test with a bigger apple. We lift everything up, stick your apple right in the middle. Boom. Push it down. Like this. And then you want to push it down all the way so it holds the apple as well. Tell me this is not satisfying. Boom, perfectly peeled apple. Once again, you lift this up. Look at this, amazing. This apple is just a little old, so it's perfect to use them for the videos. And then you lift it up, and then you can peel oranges or potatoes, just like that. Let me do one more, but close up. This one is very satisfying. Just to show you how it works. Okay, then close this all the way, and then press it. Boom, perfect. Love this apple peeler. So easy to clean up too. Alright, let's check out the next gadget. This apple peeler is very unique. It's not electric, so I love it. But let me show you how it works. Boom, it spins like that and then comes off. So once it's in this position, you can get your apple and put it through. I love all these gears. I love that it's see-through. So then what we're going to do, you go forward more. Oh wait, you know what? I'm not spinning it the right way. I just realized that. Let me try to fix this one more time. Once again, I have not been using this gadget in a while, so I would spin it this way actually. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, it's gonna go around the apple and actually it's going to go under it. And the suction cups are holding all the apple together. Wow, look at that. I like this apple gadget even better because you don't need electricity, and look how well it peels from the bottom to the top. Love this. Let me show you another one just for fun. Once again, a bigger apple, plug it in. Let me give you a little different view. Okay, let's see what happens. Once again, it goes around the apple and under, and then going to cut it from the bottom. The blade is razor sharp. Boom, and it's all one peel came off. A lot thicker than the other ones. And your apple is peeled. Let me run it real quickly. Let me show you what it looks like if you go fast. No problem. You can take off the apple peel. You can really slice up and dice up your apple. And it doesn't matter what size it is. Because look, it's getting smaller and smaller, that apple. And it's still slicing it just fine. This is just too satisfying. Except it makes a big mess now, it's getting too juicy. And once again, look at that. The apple is so small and still peeling it, no problem. So any size of an apple it will work with. Just be careful not to cut yourself, and don't forget to put this blade cover on. The suction cups, if you moisten them, work so well that here you can easily remove them by pulling them up like that too. Amazing. And for the next apple slicer, I really like this design as well. You moisten it a little bit and then you put it on a flat table and flip this lever around, and it's going to be really tight. And release it. Let me show it to you one more time. Close it. Look at that. It's really tight. I'm really pulling it. So it's have a really nice grip. And to release it, boom, easy. Now we're going to push it all the way back, spin it all the way back. It goes fast, as you can see, if you want it to go fast. This one is actually peels your apple and also cores it. That's the only apple peeler that does it. Also right here you can adjust how well do you want to slice. I want it thin because apple has pretty thin peel, so we don't have to peel it really deep. Okay, let's see what happens. All we have to do is spin it like this and look at the slicer. You know what, that's a little too thick, so I can probably readjust it right now. Okay, this is good. Okay, let's see if it got any better. You know what, this is not too bad actually. And check this out, now it's paralyzed and slicing it. Looks like I messed up on this apple. Let's try this again. But what's cool about it, when you pull it out, boom, you got here spiralized apple. How amazing is that? And you cored it at the same time. It does take a little bit more time to figure it out, the settings, the best way. I think I'll set it like this, so that way it doesn't have that problem anymore. See what happens this time. There you go. Okay, now it's peeling it really well and spiralizing it. There you go. Now what I love about that, you can just pull off the whole apple. Boom. And it's completely peeled up and spiralized. So you don't even have to slice it or core it. It's already perfect time to eat it. And once you're done with this gadget, all you have to do is just pull this open, and now you can lift it easily. And for the next apple gadget, this one I reviewed recently. I love it. It's vintage, but it's so cool. Look at all these gears. and they still work so well. Oops, this piece comes off, that's it, but everything else works super well. Alright, let's see how it works. Let me show you how amazing this apple peeler. Look at it, it's expand on the spring. It is very old apple peeler. We're gonna push it through like this. Boom. And then keep on going, spinning it. And look at that peel. It's just completely peeling it all the way. Boom, and it opens up. This is all one peel once again. And you peel completely, peeled all the way. Probably the best way to peel all the way inside there and almost all the way inside here. Wow, love it. One more view and I'm out of apples. So I'm gonna stick this apple all the way here. Really tight. Look at this gear spinning. Such a beautiful design. Oh no! Kick the apple out. I didn't stuck it all the way. Ha! Fail. And once again, perfectly peeled apple. I should have screwed in a little bit tighter. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which apple peeler was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. This has gotta be the coolest thing ever. Peeling oranges is so messy. Let's see if it actually does a good job. Okay, it's on. And we're gonna do setting 1 and on. Oh, do I have to hold it? What's happening? Oh yeah, I have to hold it. Wow! Look how satisfying that is. Oh my gosh. Look at that peel, it's just going and going. That's so cool. Perfect. You know what? This one did so far the best.